Why do I have this car? Because I don't have my own car. My car's in Canada right now. And I can't...
sharing is caring.
Yeah. Jason said that he goes, you know what? I'm not using my car during the subathon, so you can just have my car for the whole month.
Oh, keep it warm for me, he said. So cute.
He says, what's mine is yours. You can use anything.
W-mans.
I know. Holy fuck, I'm like fucking this shit up. I'm trying to mix this well. Look at this. Just don't fuck up his rims. Okay, they're already a little destroyed. Well, I did send him a picture of the rims.
He said he didn't care. I saw that clip.
Okay, he never goes.
Yeah, he said it's completely fine. I'm getting new ones anyways, okay?